present the background of Borneo Cocoa Sdn Bhd. Borneo Cocoa was established in 1994 and is located in Tawau, Sabah. The company is involved in cocoa processing and food manufacturing. Its main products are cocoa liquor, cocoa powder, and pure cocoa butter. The company supplies its product to both local and international markets. Some of its major customers are Nestle, Cadbury, M&M, Mars, Novartis, and Jergens. Based on our assessment, Borneo Cocoa is a strong borrower because it has more than 30 years of experience, experienced management, and a good customer base. Next, I will explain the proposed loan facilities. Borneo Cocoa is applying for 3 million ringgit Malaysia in financing through green term loan, hire purchase, and overdraft facilities. The financing will mainly support the company's expansion. It will be used to buy a 10-hectare cocoa plantation, develop the plantation, purchase green energy machinery, and provide working capital for daily business operation. Each financing facility is suitable for its purpose. The green term loan is for long-term investment, the hire purchase is for machinery, and the overdraft is for short-term working capital. The project is to buy a 10-hectare cocoa plantation near the company's factory. The main goal is to secure a stable supply of cocoa beans and reduce dependence on outside suppliers. The project also focuses on sustainable farming by using green energy machinery and following 4C certification. There are some risks such as bad weather, change in cocoa price, and sustainability requirements. However, these risks are manageable because the company has good experience and a clear business plan.
Next, I will present about ownership and top management. Borneo Cocoa Sdn Bhd is owned by 4 major shareholders, with Borneo Holdings Bhd holding the largest share at 50%, which provides strong financial support. The company is led by an experienced management team. Mr. KY Hong oversees the company's strategic direction. Mr. FL Chin manages operations and marketing, while Mr. Oh Meng is responsible for the company's financial management. Their collaboration helps ensure efficient operations and supports the company's long-term growth. Next, I will present the business and operations of Borneo Cocoa Sdn Bhd. Borneo Cocoa Sdn Bhd operates in the cocoa processing industry, specializing in the production of cocoa liquor, cocoa powder, and pure cocoa butter. These products are supplied to both domestic and international markets, serving well-known multinational companies such as Nestle, Cadbury, M&M, Mars, and Novartis. The company's operations are supported by an integrated processing system, strong quality control, and efficient warehousing facilities, ensuring consistent product quality and timely delivery to customers. To support its long-term growth, Borneo Cocoa plans to develop a 10-hectare cocoa plantation in Tawau, Sabah. This initiative aims to secure a stable supply of cocoa beans, reduce dependence on external suppliers, and strengthen the company's supply chain. Overall, the company's efficient business operations and future expansion plans demonstrate its commitment to sustainable growth and maintaining its competitiveness in the global cocoa industry. Next, I will present about the economy, industry, and market outlook of Borneo Cocoa Sdn Bhd. The global cocoa industry continues to grow due to the increasing demand for chocolate and other cocoa-based products. This creates more business opportunities for cocoa processors and manufacturers, including Borneo Cocoa Sdn Bhd. In Malaysia, the country is recognized as one of the world's leading cocoa processing and grinding centers. The cocoa industry contributes significantly to the national economy through exports, and it is supported by the Malaysia Cocoa Board to strengthen the industry competitiveness. Borneo Cocoa also benefits from its strategic location in Tawau, Sabah, which is one of the major cocoa producing regions in Malaysia. To strengthen its business operations, the company plans to develop a 10-hectare sustainable cocoa plantation. This initiative will help secure a stable supply of cocoa beans, reduce dependence on external suppliers, and improve supply chain efficiency. However, the company also faces several challenges, including climate change, fluctuating cocoa prices, labor shortage, and stricter sustainability regulation imposed by international markets. Overall, despite these challenges, the positive industry outlook and growing global demand for sustainable cocoa products provide Borneo Cocoa with strong opportunities for long-term growth expansion.
Next, I will present the company's financial ratio analysis over the 5-year period. First, liquidity ratios shows that the company has maintained a strong ability to manage short-term obligations, although liquidity has gradually declined over the years. It remains at a healthy level. This suggests that the company is managing its working capital more efficiently while maintaining sufficient resources to cover its current liabilities. Second, profitability ratios indicate that the company's performance declined after reaching its strongest level, but there are clear signs of recovery in the latest year. This means the company is improving its ability to generate profits from its assets, shareholders' investment, and overall business operations. Moving on to efficiency ratios, these have shown consistent improvement throughout the period. This indicates that the company is using its assets and working capital more effectively to generate sales, reflecting stronger operational efficiency. For leverage ratio, there has been a slight increase in the use of debt financing. However, the company continues to rely mainly on shareholders' equity, which suggests a conservative capital structure and relatively low financial risk. Lastly, market ratios show an improvement in earnings available to shareholders. Although the company has not paid dividends, this may indicate that profits are being retained to support future growth and expansion. Overall, the financial ratio analysis suggests that the company remains financially stable, while liquidity has moderated and profitability has not fully returned to its peak. The company is showing improvement in operational efficiency, maintaining low financial risk, and strengthening its overall financial performance. Next, cash flow forecast and the SCR analysis from 2026 to 2032. The forecast shows that total inflows consistently exceed total outflows, allowing the company to maintain a positive cash surplus throughout the forecast period. This indicates that the business is expected to generate sufficient operating cash flow to support its daily operation while maintaining a healthy liquidity position. Although operating expenses increase as the business expands, the growth in cash inflows is stronger. This suggests that the company's expansion is financially sustainable and capable of generating additional cash over time. As shown in the graph, the DSCR increases steadily throughout the forecast period. A higher DSCR means the company has a stronger ability to generate enough operating cash to cover its debt repayments. This reduces the risk of loan default and provides greater confidence to lenders that the business can meet its financial commitments. Overall, the positive cash surplus and improving the SCR demonstrate that the business is financially viable, capable of servicing its debt, and well-positioned to support future growth and expansion.
Next, I will explain the collateral and guarantees provided by Borneo Cocoa SDN Berhad to support its loan application. Collateral refers to the asset that the company pledges to the bank as the security for the loan. In this case, Borneo Cocoa SDN Berhad provides several valuable assets, including its cocoa plantation, factory buildings, production machinery, inventory, and insurance coverage on important business assets. These assets have been professionally valued and are supported by legal ownership documents. This gives the bank confidence that the assets have sufficient value and can be used to recover the loan if necessary. Besides collateral, the company also provides several guarantees. These include guarantees from the parent company, the directors, and the shareholders. A guarantee is a legal promise that if Borneo Cocoa SDN Berhad is unable to repay the loan, the guarantors will be responsible for repaying the outstanding amount. This provides an additional layer of protection for the bank and reduce the overall lending risk. Next, I will present the credit risk analysis and mitigation strategies for Borneo Cocoa SDN BHT using the 5CS and Champari credit assessment models. First, based on the 5CS model, the company's character is assessed as low risk because it has a strong business reputation, experienced management, and a good repayment history. Capacity is considered medium risk since the company's cash flow is influenced by cocoa price and export demand, which may fluctuate over time. Capital is also rated as medium risk because the company still depends on external financing to support its business expansion. Conditions are assessed as medium to high risk due to factors such as changes in global cocoa prices, weather conditions, and market demand. Finally, collateral is considered low to medium risk because the loan is secured by valuable assets including cocoa plantation land, factory buildings, machinery, inventory, and insurance coverage. Next, under the Champari model, the company's character is again assessed a low risk due to its strong reputation and responsible management. Ability is rated as medium risk because the company's income and cash flow may vary depending on market conditions. The margin of financing is considered low to medium risk since the loan is supported by sufficient collateral, reducing the bank's exposure to risk. In addition, the purpose of the loan is assessed as a low risk because it is intended to finance normal business operations and future expansions, which are expected to support the company's long-term growth. Overall, Borneo Cocoa SDN BHT demonstrates an acceptable level of credit risk, with appropriate mitigation strategies, including strong collateral, legally binding guarantees, and continuous financial monitoring. The bank's confidence in approving the loan is further strengthened.
For the recommendation, the company approved the proposed financing. The company demonstrates cash flow and debt repayment capacity. Additionally, monitor financial performance regularly to ensure projections are achieved. Also can continue improving operational efficiency and cost management. Lastly, retain sufficient cash reserves to support business expansions and unexpected expenses. That's all from us. Thank you.